these professors using these transformer models where they really need to write like 4 or 5 lines of code, and they're just doing their own machine learning projects now. And these are, like historians who barely have ever used technology in their research, and now they're just completely changing their field because they have this sudden amount of computational power available at their fingertips very easily. Take 10,000 articles published in the New York Times and you can just ask a question, how many articles talk about pandemics? And then, over 300 years of newspaper articles, you can just immediately get all the newspaper articles that talk about pandemics. So it's really, really powerful, and people are doing some really, really cool things to kind of change their own fields.